1973 Plymouth Barracuda, now for sale here at MGM Classic Cars. This car has gone through a restoration, finished in this gorgeous high impact green color and that beautiful matte hood, fiberglass hood that's been installed. As you can see, the wheels do match the car. As far as color, that was a big deal with the MOPARs back in the 70s. Beautiful black vinyl top that matches, obviously, the color of the rear spoiler and the hood. A very nice, clean touch. Dual exhaust, all chrome is done. Glass is really nice. Final top is good. All the weather stripping. Trunk has been painted green, the color of the car, with a nice matte finish in there. As far as matte trunk matte cover, should I say, and you can see those beautiful photos on my website. Just beautiful all around. Really nice paint job. All the door handles on both sides look really nice on the car. All the trim, the dash, the package tray with the 6x9s, the black bucket seats with the console. You'll see that in a minute. Just beautiful setup. Let's check out the interior. Super clean, restored interior, as you can see there. From the back to the front, from the carpet all the way up to the headliner. Door panels are excellent. They're practically brand new. Excellent door jambs, factory welds. Inner, outer door jambs are in excellent condition. New door sill plates as well. And that's how it is on both sides of the vehicle. Let's get in and fire it up. All right, here we are. Give it a couple pumps. Fires right up. You got the upgraded Pioneer radio there. Lenses are nice and crisp. 6,788 miles shown on the odometer, and I believe that is from since restoration. Dash is nice. I mean, just a beautiful car. Console, original automatic shifter. Let's listen to it from the outside. Doesn't that sound good?